At Aber Innovation, we have technical zones, custom designed for collaborative agri-food and circular economy R&D. The Biorefining Centre provides pilot-scale facilities for process optimisation to extract and analyse chemicals from biomass and waste streams in an integrated industrial biotechnology and food-grade environment. Our Future Food Centre extends our food-grade environments for the testing, validation and improvement of existing and novel materials as food and drink, including nutritional content, advanced compositional analysis, shelf life and consumer preference testing. Our Advanced Analysis Centre provides bespoke chemical analysis equipment and expertise, and interacting with Aberystwyth University supports a wellbeing and health assessment research unit for food intervention studies.